Hello, good afternoon. We are moving on with our Runyankole lessons, and this is me, Mr. Muhoozi, and I'm testing new technology to teach you Runyankole. Can you please subscribe to our channel and you get the very best. You too, you can join us on this link and you have the lessons with us. We are very welcome to meet you. Just email us on this email, areas.bsit email us on this email, areas.bsit@gmail.com. Oh, sorry, this thing can't spell my name, so I just want to show you how to write my email, and I'm going to show you. So just email us on this mail, which is areas.bsit@gmail.com. That is where you can contact me, and we have some quality time, quality learning. For those interested in learning Runyankole, we are the one stop for you. areas.bsit@gmail.com. Send me an email on areas.bsit@gmail.com, and I will respond to you, and I will add you to my lesson so that during the lesson you can catch up with the lesson and you're not left behind. You can see we're having very many people logging in, and we are ready to take you through the lesson. Thank you. Have a wonderful time with us.